Step 1. Create an account in Multibank. So, para makapag-copy trade ka sa ating FCAT Trade GPT, first thing is you have to create an account sa Multibank. Yung link na gagamitin mo is galing doon sa nag-introduce sa'yo ng Trade GPT. So, once na may link ka na, ma-redirect ka dito sa page na to. So, makikita mo dyan, Multibank Group, open a live account. So, all you have to do is lagay mo lang yung first name, yung last name, yung email, phone number, select mo yung country, and then create password. If nasa Canada ka, you can use your Canada phone number, and you can select the country Canada. Especially if meron kang Canadian proof of ID and Canadian proof of address, pwede mo siyang gawin. But, mas maganda kung meron kang Philippine government-issued ID, just select Philippines and yun. Just select Philippines as your country. Once na okay na, click submit. And then lalabas ito. So, thank you for registering. An account manager will reach out to you shortly to assist you. So, yan. Nakalagay, complete your verification to open a live account. So, lagay mo lang what is your employment status. So, for example lang, employed, annual income, primary source of funds for trading. So, let's say income from employment. So, you upload your ID. So, dito sa proof of identification, ayan, nakalagay naman dyan, pwedeng picture of your passport, driver's license, or national ID. So, pwede mong gamitin. So, once na-upload mo na, click submit. And then, ito, magno-notify siya. Your live trading account has been created successfully. So, to start trading, you will need to fund your account. This will be our next step, which is funding your account. So, once na nasubmit mo na yung proof of identification mo, hintayin mo lang na ma-verify account mo, but puntahan mo tong 3 lines sa taas, and then puntahan mo tong profile mo. So, here, makikita mo yung personal information mo. Pag in-scroll mo sa baba, lahat ng fill out mo kanina. Now, puntahan mo tong second tab, which is uploaded documents. Now, makikita mo yung document is pending approval. So, wait mo lang, ma-approve din yan. So, here, pwede mong ipasa yung likod ng ID na sinubmit mo. Itong dito sa document back, pwede mo diyang isubmit. And then, you have to upload also your proof of residence. So, it's either TIN, UMID, PhilHealth, anything na ID mo na merong address mo. Okay? So, very important na itong i-upload mo is merong address mo. So, of course, hindi tatanggapin dito yung passport. Okay? So, kung ano yung ID na meron kang address, submit mo lang and pa-approve natin. So, yan. Files has been uploaded successfully. So, click OK. And that's it. Natapos mo na yung ating first step, which is creating your account sa Multibank and verifying your profile. So, while waiting na ma-verify yung iyong account, proceed ka na sa next step, which is funding your account.